Ever seen one of these hanging from a tree branch or under your porch? That's not just any nest. It could be the work of a paper wasp or a hornet. But how exactly do these insects build such intricate homes from scratch using just their mouths? Let's find out. It all starts with wood. Paper wasps and hornets chew up weathered wood from fences, tree bark, or old logs, and mix it with their saliva to form a pulpy paste, kind of like natural paper mache. This paste is shaped into thin layers which harden into a papery structure. Layer by layer, the nest begins to take form. Paper wasps build open nests with visible hexagonal cells, usually under eaves, ledges, or branches. A single queen starts it all, laying an egg in each tiny cell. When the larvae hatch, the queen gets help. Her daughters, now workers, take over building, expanding, and feeding the young. Hornets, though, are a bit more secretive. Their nests are fully enclosed, wrapped in a layered, papery shell. You'll often find them high in trees or tucked inside wall cavities. Inside, it's a multi-level apartment of hexagonal cells, shielded from the weather and predators. Like paper wasps, hornets chew wood to build, but their nests are usually larger and their defenses way more intense. From wood pulp to architectural wonder, these nests are true marvels of insect engineering. Just remember, admire from a distance. Both hornets and paper wasps can sting if they feel threatened. Onscrader, fascinated by the tiny engineers of the natural world? Then hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more deep dives into nature's secrets.